Okay, let's get ready together. I have some new products that I think I've already showed you in a haul. So for my primer, I'm going to use the MAC Strobe Cream. And this is just a cult favorite of lots of makeup artists. My eye bags are out of control. I've had too much salt. But this is very similar effect as the Glow Screen sunscreen, but without the sunscreen, obviously. At least I don't think it has sunscreen. So, a nice base, and I want to try the Bobbi Brown foundation stick. The only shade that they had was Warm Sand, so I will link this down below for you guys. But this is the shade, so I'm just gonna go right in. This might be a little too light, but that's okay. Ooh, it looks like a perfect match. We'll use my trusty BK Beauty 101 brush. Nice light layer. So that is one layer. I'm definitely going to build it up or see if it builds. It's a really good match. So easy to put on. Really nice natural finish. I'm going to use my Dior concealer in the shade 2N. This is the Forever Skin Correct concealer. Now I'm excited to do a little blush and bronzer. So I got the Big Terra bronzer. You guys, I cannot believe this was only $40. Comes with its little sleeve like that. And here she is. So gorgeous. Really, really pretty packaging, obviously. Let's see here. I'm gonna use my BK Beauty 107 brush. Love this brush for blush and bronzer, and I just pat mine on. That's so gorgeous. Wow. Can't believe how easy that blends. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want to show you the difference between the sizes. So this is the Terra that I just bought, and this is the Gold Dust. And you can see the pan size difference. This is the Gold Dust. So you can see the Terra is more cool, and then the Gold Dust is obviously, we'll put a little on. It's a little darker and a little warmer. It is so beautiful outside. It's like 65 degrees in January, which I can't believe. And I am so pale on my face. So I said yes to the wedding dress this weekend. You guys, I'm so excited. I don't think it's anything anyone is going to expect. So that's exciting, and I cannot wait to, I'm about to film a video kind of like explaining all the details and everything, so you guys will be able to get the scoop. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I posted a ton of pictures of me in a lot of the dresses, so I'm gonna post those also here. So that is the Terra bronzer. Really, really beautiful. So Terra is shade 2 and Gold Dust is shade 1. And they did have both shades. So if you want the Gold Dust, call Halie down below. And I think I paid $40, and this is $116 or $112 bronzer. So really good price. Now for blush, they had so many MAC blushes, and this is the one that I chose in the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Hush Tone. I paid $13 and some odd cents for this, but it is a beautiful, beautiful blush. I'm just gonna use that same brush, and I'll swatch this for you actually. I mean, can you even? So these do have a little bit of a sheen to them, but they are so youthful and pretty. I do really like that foundation. It's not like, it's just nice foundation. I don't know how to explain it. It is very natural, super natural. It's probably why so many makeup artists love it. Okay, now for the first thing that I picked up was this highlighter. So I think you guys are going to love this highlighter. It is the Soleil, Tom Ford Soleil Radiant Perfecting Powder in 02 Luna. So it comes like this, and there's the back. Not that that even matters, but here is the shade. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Okay, Laura Mercier fan brush is the best. Oh my goodness. Wow. So pretty. Very, very natural. This might be the highlighter that I wear on my wedding day. It is so pretty. And they had lots of Tom Ford quads, like in the silver packaging, so the limited edition ones, some that have been discontinued, just really beautiful. Let me swatch this for you. This has got a rose gold, it is like a light champagne rose gold, super natural. So if you're my skin tone or lighter, you are going to love this highlighter. They had liquid highlighters. They had the large size of this Fire Lust. They had several different shades of that as well. They also had the highlighters that were in the droppers. So if you like those, man, they're really pretty. But it had to be good. But I got all of this for under $200. So can't believe it. And they had so much other stuff that I really, really wanted but didn't need. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of my Soleil Blanc. I want to collect all of the body sprays because I don't wear perfume a ton, but man, smells so good. I think I paid 30 something for this, and it's normally 75. So again, link will be down below. And then we have our lipsticks. Let's see, I need to throw on some lashes and do my brows, and then I'll come back and do lips with you guys. Okay, put on some eyeshadow. I'll link everything down below that I use. So I got two new lipsticks. One is a Lips and Boys, and one is just their regular lip color. And let's see, the Lips and Boys is shade Joe. I'm sure it's discontinued, but I will try to link it down below. Joe is a beautiful, almost just like Bradley, nude. Right there, like a cool pink, but not as cool as Flynn and not as light as Flynn. And then the large one I got is Bad Lieutenant, and virtually equally as beautiful but lighter. So that is Bad Lieutenant. Did I need both? No. Did I want both? Absolutely. So those are the shades that I got, and I will link everything, like I said, down below for you to check out. And I am going to wear Joe today, so there's nothing that beats a Tom Ford lipstick. So pretty. That is the shade. There are the swatches. The blush, highlighter, Bad Lieutenant, and Joe. So pretty. Feels so good. Love Tom Ford lipsticks, and I think this makeup look turned out really pretty. What do you guys think? There's a little bit of a shadow on this side. It looks a little bit darker, but it is even in person, and I love it. So let me know if you get anything. Go to their website down below, the Cosmetic Company Store, and you can see if there's one in your area. If not, Halie, my sales girl, she can ship to you. So I will leave her name below, and you can email me for her number, or you can find me on Instagram and DM me saying that you want Halie's number, and I will give it to you. I'm not just gonna post it down below because I'm afraid, you know, I don't know. I don't want a bunch of like crazy people calling her. So if you would like her number and you aren't near an outlet, or you are on lockdown and can't shop and you would like for her to ship to you, she can send you pictures, all kinds of stuff. So there's lots of other brands too. There's Jo Malone candles and holiday sets from seasons past, and this past season there is Killian fragrances, all the Tom Ford fragrances like the Lost Cherry, the big size and regular perfume of that, all of the blue colors, Oud Leather, I believe it is, or Tobacco something. They have all kinds, and they have travel sets and roller balls, or I'm sorry, they do the sprays, so travel sprays. So you can just message her, and they have Estee Lauder, they have La Mer, like all of the La Mer, they have La Mer makeup. I know they have the blush and the highlighter, and they have the foundation and all of that, and it's up to 70% off. So be sure you check it out, because these are not expired. They are just either being repackaged. They're like the old packaging of products that they can't sell anymore. It is actually owned by Estee Lauder, so you know that it is authentic makeup. And yeah, so I don't recommend buying luxury makeup on like Amazon or Zulily or any of those sites, because you don't know who's actually selling that. So I feel comfortable shopping here because it is owned by Estee Lauder, and it is basically overstock and being repackaged or something like that. So I know that it's authentic. So you won't find any brands in there that aren't Estee Lauder owned, so like under their umbrella. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you head on over to my Instagram for daily updates. I'm going to let you know how I like the foundation. It's actually sitting really pretty. It's creating a really nice flawless base, but it doesn't look makeup-y, and it's not accentuating my lines or my pores. So I really, really love this. And there is tons of Bobbi Brown makeup at that store on clearance. So it's like for dollars, like barely any money you would spend on a ton of these products, so, or that Bobbi Brown has, and brushes too. So be sure you message me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down below if you want Halie's number, or you can call the store. I'll leave the store's number down below. They can ship to you, and let them know that I sent you. So maybe eventually, if enough of us you know, call in or let them know that you came from my channel, they will give me a discount code special for you guys. That's usually how it works. So if enough people call and inquire and say that you came from my channel, then I somehow, usually the company will contact me. They're like, hey, we've had an inquiry, you know, several inquiries about shopping from your channel, a lot of traffic. We would love to extend a discount code, especially for your followers. So if you call, make sure you let them know that you came from my channel, and maybe they'll give us a code. So I don't get a kickback from it. They literally have no idea who I am. But if enough of you call, then maybe that will prompt them to give us a special discount code, maybe like an extra 10% off or free goodies with your purchase or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you subscribe, because I am posting all about my wedding dress and the experience and where I went, what I got, all sorts of things in the next video. So be sure you hit the subscribe button for all the wedding content. If you're curious kind of like what kind of dress I got, I'm going to be posting that next. So follow me on Instagram at Arielle Snyder and my blog, ariellesnyder.com, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.